Hi, I'm David Miller, the botany teacher and greenhouse manager here at North High School. The students call me Mr. Tree, and I humbly accept that title. I feel like in botany class, we work to connect students with nature in a variety of ways, but really to make them understand how our actions today will impact them and future generations tomorrow.
He practices what he preaches, and so he has done things in the community and invited students to go with him.
So Roots is a local organization, restoration of our tree Sheboygan. I volunteered in the first few cycles and just brought students as a part of our environmental club. Motivated me to want to try to lead my own SASD tree planting initiatives.
I've seen a lot of teachers in my years, and I think one thing that stands out with Mr. Miller is he's always trying to make the life of a student here at North High a little bit more exciting, right? But he's doing it in such a way where they feel engaged and a little bit more empowered now because they've kind of experienced a little bit more than just by reading in a textbook.
You know, the kids really enjoy coming in and seeing their plants grow day to day. Every week they get a new plant.
So I think by giving students authentic experiences where they see themselves as growers, as gardeners, as stewards of this planet, of this earth, better enables them to see the value and the importance of the natural resources that we have. And
every day is an Earth Day for him.
The amount of hands-on activities we do really gives him an opportunity to work with these kids, to see what their abilities are. And it also gives our kids a chance to take some pride in the building and in the grounds around here.
So we've planted trees on campus. We did that last spring. We planted shrubs on campus this fall. We plant tulip bulbs every single year. An epiphany for them when they do discover there are ways to integrate nature into our daily lives. And I think that is something that we cultivate literally and figuratively in botany class.